Thomas. I'm so sorry I had to leave you behind.
I'll get you, you blue puffball! And you too, Twinkle Toes! Blood, come and help me!
No, do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself. And we mean that. Yeah, we mean that.
Wait for me! I'd rather do it myself.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous.
What's the matter?
Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust. Ah!
Now I'll get Jupiter Stone! Come on, you two! Yeah!
No, you won't, Boomer. Because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
Okay, Burnett! The gloves are off!
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
I know.
Let's go.
I'm a really useful engine. I'm sorry to ignore your warning, Mr. Conductor, but going over this viaduct is the only way to get rid of Diesel and that nasty passenger.
Well done, Thomas. Well done.